What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and we are closing 2022. I have put on my sequins to try and celebrate the ending of this year and celebrating 2023. In this video, I'm going to be putting together my favorites from 2022, home organization and interior design, and even fashion. I am including everything that I utilized and loved in 2022. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, before we get into the video, I want to thank Maestry House for sponsoring this video. And this is the beautiful electric gooseneck kettle. I love this because it is that beautiful old school look of the gooseneck kettle, except it is electric. I have it plugged in so I can show you all of the features. It is a beautiful stainless steel kettle, as you can see inside here, and it is electric. It just sets down on top of the base. This is easy to use with the LCD display and adjustable temperature control knob, making your tea easy to pour and perfectly brewed. And then over here, this is a timer, so you can set it for whatever time you want, and then it will go off so that you can make sure that you are brewing the perfect cup of tea. You can also use this to get your water prepared for making coffee and any other hot beverage that you wish. Temperature ranges from 86 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So I put my water in. I am going to select my temperature of 205 degrees and push down the knob to set. As you can see, the little light goes on and it is going to work. I'm not particularly going to set the timer because I'm going to be here near it while it is brewing. But as you can see, it is already going to work. I love that it does have the little holes up top so that the steam can escape, and has a beautiful chrome knob. It also has a minimum and a maximum level on the inside, so you can see the minimum amount of water as well as the maximum amount of water you can put in the kettle. And as you can see here, while you're watching, it is going to increase in temperature and show you exactly what temperature it's at. So if you decide you want to go ahead and not have it be at 200 degrees, you can take it off whenever you're ready to brew your water for your coffee or tea. And just like that, I'm going to take it off and pour it in my cup to brew my coffee. This thing is absolutely amazing and so aesthetically pleasing with a beautiful modern design. It's a new take on an old classic. So of course, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below, including a 10% coupon code for you guys. The first favorite we are talking about is this amazing headband from Amazon. I spoke about this last week in my Amazon video. You guys, this is so amazing. I end up using this literally every single day. I use it when I'm at home just to keep my hair out of my face. I use it when I'm washing my face. I use it when I'm cleaning. It is just the most versatile, comfortable headband, and I think it looks so cute because it has this beautiful terry cloth texture and it's really soft and plush. Very affordable, and I of course will link it in the description box down below. It does come in a couple of different colors, but this is absolutely one of my favorites that I find myself reaching for day after day. Next up, I want to talk about my absolute favorite kitchenware items, and that is going to have to be these Sam's Club cookware sets. Oh my gosh, I ended up getting 2 of these. As you well know, I wanted to make sure that I had enough, and I'm obsessed with this off-white gold combination, which works perfectly well with this beautiful brand Dutch oven from Walmart. So these are amazing. I use this for my bread. I use these for my daily cooking. I love that it comes with a small and a big size of the saucepan, and then it comes with the deep skillet and then a shallow skillet, and then it also comes with a regular small saucepan with just the one handle like this. I think this is a fantastic set. It comes with the lids. It comes in a ton of different colors. So if you're not into the off-white and gold, they come in silver accents as well. But this is just a really good value. I have not, as you can see, had any issues with scratching, a tiny bit of regular standard wear and tear, but no chipping, no scratching. I love, love, love the quality of these, and they're absolutely gorgeous, which I think is really nice to have when you are cooking every single day. Everybody loves having a cookware set that is a quality set, but is also aesthetically pleasing in their kitchen. This is something that you can leave out and leave on display, leave on the table, and it's gonna look gorgeous for the holidays. And again, with all of the different color options, I think that this is something that everybody can absolutely love. I will link this as well as the beautiful Dutch oven that when I got it, it was on sale. I'm not sure if it currently is, but I will link it below for you because this is a perfect little Dutch oven, especially speaking about leaving on display, to leave on display that looks super cute and happens to be in the shape of a heart, which would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So I will leave all of these linked in the description box down below. Next up is this amazingly affordable runner from Amazon. I absolutely love not only the quality of this, but the modern look, the texture and thickness of it, and the fact that it was so affordable. That way I'm not worried about changing it out because, as you well know, this is something that we always love to change out in our kitchens depending on the season and our home aesthetic or home decor design. And this is just something that's super cute and modern that did not break the bank and is a beautiful size. I love in the kitchen, for those of you wondering, to get the maximum length that I can without hitting the baseboard right here. So if you can get it to fill everything in, that is perfect. That way it not only is comfortable for you when you're cooking, but if you splash any water from the sink or the dishwasher, it is going to catch that and help keep your floors clean and tidy. This does come in a couple of different sizes, and I believe an extra large size if you were looking for something like this for a bedroom, which I think would be absolutely beautiful to throw in that little bit of a modern touch. But I will leave this link below. It is one of my favorites. I've had so many different runners over the last couple of years, and I am really, really loving this one. Next up are these beautiful, modern, sleek, affordable dining chairs from Target. I have had a couple of different sets throughout the years, and I love this design. These are amazing because they come in a couple of different colors. I opted for the black, but I think these are really nice to mix and match if you wanted to do a white table, a round table, a dark table, any sort of table. I feel like these really would go really well. The natural color in these is absolutely gorgeous. It is really nice and faint, not nearly as dark as this table. So if you're looking for something like that, then that's a great option as well. But I love the look of them. I love the affordability considering how expensive some of these chairs can be. I think this is a really nice affordable option. They do come in and out of stock online, so definitely make sure you put on your notifications if you shop and use the Target app. But I love them. I'm so glad that I got them, and I did get them, I believe, in a set of 2. So I ended up getting 3 sets to complete this table. Next up, this is something I've been reaching for so much this year, and that is these beautiful wax melts. I think these are fantastic. This one in particular is from Walmart, and I will show you the other one. I also opted to just get whatever they had in stock in Walmart as far as wax melts go, but you can use any wax melts you want. But these really do help the house smell beautiful, warm, and cozy without having to worry about a ton of the toxins with some of the other plugins, which I was trying to deviate away from. I will also show you this beautiful one from Amazon that comes in a couple of different sizes and a ton of different colors. This is from the brand Happy Wax, and again, this is beautiful because it has just a silicone top that when it's hard, you just take it and pop it out, and it's super easy to interchange. And again, you can use any of your favorite wax melts inside of here. Just gives the house a really beautiful scent. And this one's also great because it does have a timer as well as a low, medium, and high setting. So if it's in a smaller room, you don't have to worry about overwhelming yourself with the scent. You just put it on a lower setting and you're good to go. Next up on my list of favorites will have to be my organizers, specifically my Ziploc and my plastic wrap and aluminum foil organizer. I don't know what I did before these. They are so phenomenal and so easy to use. These ones in specific are labeled back here so you can see what size. I just only use the gallon and quart, so it doesn't really matter to me, but they hold them. They have this beautiful magnetic top that just pops off, making it so easy to change them in and out. And then this one is one piece, same thing. It has the beautiful label on the top here, and then magnetized is the top piece right here that pops off, and you slide in your plastic wrap, wax paper, aluminum foil, anything that you want. It helps keep it all organized in one drawer, and so easy to use. I know there are a ton of different variations out there, but these are my absolute favorite, having this be one piece and having this be separate. That way you can utilize the rest of your space to organize all of your other products, and you don't have to worry about anything not fitting. Also, the fact that they are clear with that beautiful acrylic, it keeps everything looking nice, light, and bright. And of course, as always, helps you see everything. So if you can see it, you're able to use it. Next up is this fantastic silverware from Amazon that I purchased, and I absolutely love it. I think it is the perfect amount. I also love the sleek, modern look of this. It does come in a couple of different color options. I opted for the black color, but it is really nice and sleek. And as you can see with the butter knife, really sharp as well, which I think is great to have. It does come in 2 sizes of the forks and 2 sizes of the spoons, as you can see here. Beautiful, rounded out, sleek and modern, and then 2 sizes in the forks and 1 size in the butter knife. I love it. It's very affordable compared to what I was searching for online. I have washed this in the dishwasher incessantly and not had any issues with any chipping whatsoever. This is probably my most favorite purchase this year from Amazon. And if I ever needed another set or another color, this would definitely be my go-to. Next up, I have talked about this a couple of times on my Amazon favorites, but this is just an all-time favorite this year from Amazon. Very simplistic, but you guys, really packs a punch as far as design. If you love interior design and decor, this is a perfect accent for you to put literally anywhere in your house. So easy to assemble, really great quality, and just brings your home to the next level as far as making it feel luxe and high-end with a little bit of a modern touch. This happens to be one of my favorite coffee table books, the Alexander McQueen one, which I just opened one of my favorite pages and left for display, but it is so beautiful. I love it because it brings a little bit of height to this console area. I've also seen where you can put this on a coffee table, an end table, literally anywhere. It looks gorgeous. And really just, like I said, elevates your space. I did see a couple of these online, but I was very leery of ordering from random websites. So I happened to search online at Amazon and found this. It was prime shipping, and I am so glad I did because this is definitely a game changer. Next up is something I created this year that I absolutely love and do not know how I lived without it before in the past, and that is this cleaning cart I created from a Bright Room cart at Target, and they have these absolutely everywhere. I feel like I've seen them on Amazon as well, but it's just a little cart that you put together. It comes in a ton of colors and sizes, has a beautiful metal mesh bottom that I think is great for kind of airing things out and helping you see what's down here. But this is what I put together. I got some of the organizational sets from the Home Edit line at Walmart. Put in my cleaning products at the top. In this middle rack, I have a bin with some refills and clean rags, as well as my garbage bag refills and my duster and brushes. And then on the bottom, I have microfiber rags, as well as my dirty bin that I put everything in here that I'm going to wash. This is so easy to utilize. You just wheel it around with you as you're cleaning, and then when you're done, you put it away and you don't have to worry about it. It keeps everything organized, everything easy to use, and helps you see exactly what you have and when you need to refill. So I will link both the organizational sets as well as the cart in the description box below. Next up, we're going to talk about one of my favorite chairs, and this one again happens to be from Target. This comes in a couple of different finishes. This one in specific is the boucle finish. It does come in 2 other finishes. One is a gray, I believe, and the other one is like a simple linen in an ivory off-white color, but I love to pair this with a mirror in a corner to give you a nice little sitting area with a little accent table. You can put two of them together in an office, which is what I'm planning on doing. There's so many different ways to utilize these, and I just love the simplistic yet soft modern touch that they have with this beautiful side and back. They're also very affordable, and I believe one or two of the color combinations are on sale, so I will of course link them for you. Next up is going to be my favorite, which is taking a bath and using Epsom salt. I happen to go on Amazon and find this brand. I think it's amazing. It is more on the natural side, less of the chemicals. Again, that's always what I'm trying to do, is incorporate more natural stuff into my routine and regimen. If you guys have any suggestions on brands you like to use for natural Epsom salt, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But this one I got and I love. It also has that natural magnesium, so if you're taking a bath before bed, this is great to calm everything down and help you go into a nice deep sleep. Okay, next up are these amazing pajamas from the Sofia Vergara line at Walmart. I have them in two colors and they are my absolute favorite. They are not a silk, not a complete satin, but they're so soft. I would say somewhere in between. They are true to size, if anything a little bit big. This is a medium, and as you can see, I have a good amount of space, which I personally like. I don't like my pajamas tight, but I love the length on these. I love the white piping. I love how it has a really nice thick cuff there, and then this beautiful pocket. They do come in a couple of different colors and patterns, but I love the bright fuchsia pink. It's like a purple pink, and then the black and white, which is a total classic. These are perfect for the holiday season, amazing for Valentine's Day, and super affordable. So I will link these below. Next up are my staples from Old Navy. I love these. They sell out all the time, and they come in so many different colors and styles. I will tell you, the fabric on these is perfection. It is an ultralight active fabric from Old Navy. I get all of mine in a size tall, medium or large, just depending on what they have, because like I said, they're always going out of stock. But I wanted to show you the colors and the different styles. So this is the long sleeve. It does have the slit here on the side, so it does have a nice side slit. These are perfect for layering. These are perfect to wear with leggings. They're perfect on their own. They are the quintessential top, and they're so affordable. This is the beige color, same exact style, but in a different color. I just wanted you to see the different color options. This is really nice and neutral. I think this is beautiful with black leggings. And then here is the tank top version. This is perfect for those summer days, and also layering where you don't want the bulk. It also has the beautiful side slits, and as you can see, it's a little bit longer in the back than the front. The side slit doesn't come up too high. I know it looks really high here, but I would say it's right at your belly button and your waist. Again, if you get them in the tall, they are going to be really nice and long and cover your bottom, cover everything in the front, so you don't have to worry about anything, especially if you have a see-through legging or bottom on. And then last but certainly not least, the one that I utilize the most is this t-shirt. As you can see, it's not too sheer, but it's not too thick. So if I pull it away, you can see the density of the fabric. Really nice and light and soft. A crew neck t-shirt with the slits on the sides. It comes in petite, regular, and tall. Again, I get all of mine in the tall, and very much true to size. I got almost all of mine in a medium, unless they just had only large available. So I of course will link these. They definitely go on sale, so if you do see them full price, then just hold out. But I'm telling you, once you get these, you will never go back to any other basics or layering t-shirts in your life. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.